I like trains.
Hello everyone, we've got M370 eastbound with 2 CNs. Yeah, we got an ethanol train with CSX power, and now a mixed freight with CN. Pretty interesting. And what's also interesting is that those two CN locomotives were previously on a B773 and B774. I never saw it, but I guess when they got back to Chicago Clearing Yard, they took it off that ethanol. And M370 originates in that same yard, so I guess it was the only power available for CSX to use. Not bad. Lots of tankers and hoppers today, not many boxcars. Pretty typical of M370. And center beams, I can see some coming up. Oh, here come boxcars. No fallen flags on M370 today, but that's alright. Foreign power will do. There it goes. Thank you all for watching. You're from Covert Road Crossing on the CSX Newcastle sub. This is the old main guy signing off. And everyone watching this video, have a great day wherever you may be.